Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to mute notifications for a specific Telegram chat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So in this video I'll show you two methods to mute notification for a specific Telegram chat. So open your Telegram app and long press the chat which you want to mute and tap on this mute icon and select the time or duration you want to mute. That was the first way we can mute a chat, and the second way is open the chat and tap on this three dot icon to the upper right hand corner and tap on mute, and you can select disable sound. You can tap on mute for and select the time range you want to mute and tap on confirm. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.